Growth Hacks. Today's topic, some applications of HCF, Part 2. First question. In a seminar, the number of participants in Hindi, English and Mathematics are 60, 84 and 108 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being in the same subject. Let us first see the details of this question. In a seminar, the number of participants in Hindi subject, 60 people participate. In English, 84 participants. And in Maths, the number of participants, 108. These participants are to be seated in rooms in such a way that each room participants in same subject must be seated. Each room same subject participants, and the number of participants in each room must be same. The number of participants in room must be same, and those participants must be of same subject. So as such, how many rooms are needed? Here, what we must do is we have to divide each of these subject participants into equal numbers. So we shall take HCF because that common divisor which divides each of these numbers completely. So we shall take the HCF. HCF of 60 number of Hindi participants, 84 number of English participants, 108 number of participants in mathematics. Now we are going to divide each of these participants into equal number in each group. So we need that common factor. Okay, I can find the HCF of 84 and 60 first. So I'll take 84 is the bigger number, 84 divided by 60. Now in 84, 60 goes one time, 60 balance 24. 24 becomes the divisor, 60 becomes the dividend. 24 goes in 60 two times, 48. On subtraction, we will get 10 minus 8, 2, 5 minus 4, 1, 12. 12 becomes the divisor and 24 becomes the dividend. 2 times 24, 24 minus 24, 0. So the HCF of first two numbers, 84 and 60 is 12. Now we will use this first HCF 12 and the third number to find the final HCF. The third number is 108. So HCF of 108 and 12. Okay, just check. 9. 9 2s are 18. 1 balance. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Yes, 12 divides 108 completely. So 12 is the HCF of 108. So this is second HCF, 12. So the common factor of all the three numbers, HCF is equal to final HCF is 12, which means each group consists of 12 participants, or in each room 12 participants of same subject are seated. So now let's see how many rooms are needed. How many participants are there in Hindi first. Subject Hindi. First subject Hindi. Number of participants 60 divided by number of participants in each room 12. So Hindi subject requires 5 rooms. And next subject English. The number of participants is 84 and in each room 12 participants are seated. So 7 rooms are required for participants in English. Then Maths. Total number of participants 108. Number of participants in each room 12. So Maths subject requires 9 rooms to seat its participants. So the total number of rooms needed, total rooms needed is equal to 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 9, 21 rooms. So hope the sum is very clear to you. Now we shall move on to the next sum. Next sum, there are 3 sets of English, Hindi, Maths books have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored topic wise and height of each stack is the same. The number of English books is 96. Number of English books 96. Number of Hindi books is 240. The number of Maths book is 336. Assuming that the books are of same thickness, determine the number of stacks of English, Hindi and Maths book. See, let's understand the meaning of this question first. 3 types of books are there: English, Hindi and Maths. 96 English books, 240 Hindi books and 336 Maths book. All the books are of same thickness. We must arrange these books in stacks. This is stacks. We must arrange these books in stacks. You will arrange the books one over the other in stacks like this, so that the height of each stack is same. Okay? And how many stacks we obtain? How many stacks we will get like this? So what we have to do is we want to find one common divisor which divides 96, 240 and 336 into groups of equal number. We must divide 96 into some groups. We must divide 240 into some groups. We must divide 336 into some groups. And each of these groups must be same in number, so that when the books are arranged one over the other, their height will be same. So that common factor or common divisor is the HCF. So here we will find HCF of 96, 240, 96 English book, 240 Hindi and 336 Maths. Okay. We shall first find the HCF of 96 and 240. So 240 divided by 96. We will get, see, I just checked for 5 times. 6 5s are 30, 3 balance. 9 5s are 45. No, it's too big. So 45 plus 3, 48. No. So I'll check with 96 into 3. 18, 1 balance, 27, 28. No, only 2 times then. 2 6 are 12, 1 balance. 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19. On subtraction, I will get 3 and this is 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 1, 13, 13 minus 8, 4. Divide this, 48 becomes the divisor. Bring 96 here. In 96, 48 goes 2 times. 2 into 48, 96. Remainder 0. So where you get the remainder, that divisor is the HCF. So the first HCF is 48. Now we shall find the HCF of 336 and the first HCF 48. 336 and 48. We are going to find HCF for this. I will try with 7 times. 8 sevens are 56, 5 balance. 4 sevens are 28 plus 5, 33. Yes. 7 times 336. On subtraction, we'll get 0. Where is the 0? That is divisor is the HCF. So 48 divides 336 completely. So the HCF of 48 and 336 is 48. So the final HCF is 48. So each of the books must be divided into groups. Each group containing 48 books. Okay, wow. So each group contains 48 books. Each group 48 books. Or one stack we can say. One stack contains 48 books of same kind. So how many stacks for English? English, the total number of books is 96. So how many stacks for English? 96. 48. 2 stacks English books. Now Hindi books. How many stacks? Number of Hindi books 240. So 240 divided by 48. So the number of Hindi books is 5. Number of stacks of Hindi books is 5 stacks with each stacks containing 48 books. Now Max books. The total number of Max books is 336 divided by 48, 7 stacks. So Max books, each stacks contain 48 books and total number of stacks 7 stacks. So how many stacks are there totally? Okay. Or what is the question? Assuming that books are of same thickness, determine the number of stacks of English, Hindi and Max book. Yes, number of stacks of English books, 2 stacks. Number of stacks of Hindi book, 5 stacks. Number of stacks of Max books, 7 stacks. Reduce 289 by 391 to the lowest form. In order to reduce to the lowest form, find the common factor between these two numbers. Their common factor is their HCF, okay, highest common factor. So we are dividing 391 divided by 289. So it goes 1 time. 1 into 289, 289. Now 8, 11, 11 minus 9, 2, 8 minus 8, 0, 3 minus 2, 1. Now divide this 102, the remainder becomes the divisor and the previous divisor becomes the remainder, 289. So 2 times 204, 9 minus 4, 5, 8. Now 102 divided by 85, only 1 time, 85. Now this is 9 and here is 12. 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 8, 1. Now 17 becomes the new divisor, 85 becomes the new dividend. Now 5 into 17, 85, remainder 0. So the common factor between 289 and 391. The common factor is 17. So I will divide both by 17. Now 289 divided by 17 is 17. 17 17s are 289 and 391 divided by 17 is how much? We shall see. 391 divided by 17 2 times 34. 39 minus 34 5. Bring down 1. 51. 17 goes 3 times. 3 into 71 51 0. So 391 divided by 17 is 23. So the lowest form is 17 by 23. The length, breadth and height of a room are 8 meter 25 centimeter, length 8 meter 25 centimeter, breadth 6 meter 75 centimeter and height 4 meter 50 centimeter. Okay. Now determine the longest rod which can measure 3 dimensions of the room exactly, completely. Okay. First, we need to find the length of a rod which measures each of this, or which can divide each of the length, breadth and height in exact number of times. So we must find a common divisor or common factor or HCF. Write this completely in centimeter. 8 meter means 800 centimeter. So 825 centimeter. 6 meter means 600 centimeter. So 675 centimeter. 4 meter means 400 centimeter, which means 450 centimeter. Now, the common factor for all these numbers, first I will take the HCF of first two numbers. The HCF of first two numbers is 825 divided by 675 one time. 675. Now 5 minus 5 0. 7. 12 minus 7 5. 7 minus 6 1. 150 becomes the divisor. Now put the 675 inside. So I do it 4 times. 4 into 150 600. Now balance 75. Bring this 150 here. 150 divided by 75 is 2. 2 into 75 150. Remainder 0. When you get remainder 0, this is the HCF. So HCF of first two numbers, first two, 825 centimeter and 675 centimeter is 75 centimeter. Now I will find the HCF of 75 centimeter and 450 centimeter. So I will get 450 centimeter divided by 75 centimeter. Now I'll do it. 75 into 8. No, it is a bigger number. 44 balance. 7 8s are 56, 60. No, it's very big. 75 into 6. 33 balance. 7 6 are 42 plus 3. 45. Yes. 6 times 450. On subtraction, you will get 0. So 75 is completely divisible by 450. So 75 is the second HCF. So the final HCF, a second HCF is the final HCF. The final HCF is 75 centimeter. So the length of the longest rod, length of the longest rod that can divide the dimensions of the room in exact number of times. In complete exact number of times is equal to 75 centimeter. Next question. During a sale, color pencils were being sold in packs of 24 each and crayons in packs of 32 each. One packet consists of 24 color pencils and one crayon packet consists of 32 crayon pens. If you want full packs of both and same number of pencils and crayons, how many of each would you need to buy? The condition is, I want to buy equal number of color pencils and crayons, and they must be in complete full packs also. So for this, I will find the HCF of 24 and 32 first. HCF of these two numbers we will find. Okay. So bigger number 32 divided by smaller number 24. One time 24 on subtraction you will get 8. So bring 24 here. 24 divided by 8, 3 8s are 24, 0. So the HCF is 8. Now what we will do is this HCF 24 number of color pencils in each pack. 24 divided by HCF you will get 3 and 32 divided by 8 you will get 4. You will multiply to get same number 24 into 4, 24 color pencils into 4 times. So 4 4s are 16, 1 balance, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 96. 96 color pens and 32 crayons, no? 32 into 3 times. You will get again 96 crayons. Now you see you have equal number of color pens and equal number of crayons. So how many packs of color pencils are needed? Number of packs. Number of packs. Color pencils first. Color pencils to get equal number. In one packet I need to get equal number 96 color pencils must be purchased. So 96 color pencils divided by in one pack 24 color pencils. So 4 packs of color pencils must be purchased and crayons. We need same number of crayons. So 96 divided by number of crayons in each pack is 32. So 3 packs. So to make it in equal number, we must purchase 4 packs of color pencils and 3 packs of crayons. That's all. Thanks for watching.